learned a lot about the different manual methods of brewing coffee. It's just an eye-opener if you love coffee. It will help you even start a business on your own if you'd like. All the way from how coffee is grown till how it's served at a table or in any cafe or a restaurant, and it helps encapsulate just the beauty of coffee.
It was very informative and learned different methods of brewing coffee.
Overall, a very enjoyable experience learning about various kinds of manual brewing methods.
As a part of capacity building training programs, we also offer webinars exclusively delivered by the industry experts. So our next upcoming webinars are scheduled in the month of December. So all the details will be made available in our official websites and also in our official WhatsApp groups. Looking forward to have you all on these webinars.